Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get cooking. Today I will show you how to make this amazing coconut shrimp to serve as an appetizer or a snack. Let's get started. My shrimp is peeled, deveined with the tails on. This will help when we are coating them. Use a paper towel to absorb the moisture. In one bowl, add your flour, pepper, onion and garlic powder. Stir and set aside. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk. In a third bowl, add your coconut flakes and panko breadcrumbs. Mix this together. The panko breadcrumbs will help absorb less oil and keep the shrimp crisp and crunchy. Let's start assembling. Grab a shrimp, drench in your flour mixture, then the egg, shaking off the excess, then the coconut mixture. Place in a foil-lined baking sheet. Repeat this till all the shrimp is finished. In a pan on medium to low heat, add some canola oil to cover the bottom of the pan. I use a coconut flake to check if my oil is ready. As long as it doesn't burn within 5 seconds, then I'm good. Add your shrimp and cook about 4 to 5 minutes. Then flip and cook again another 3 to 4 minutes until your shrimp is done. Once you take them out, try to remove as much flakes from your pan as you can. You don't want them to burn while you are still frying the rest of your shrimp. Finish frying your coconut shrimp and serve with your favorite dipping sauce. I'm using Louisiana cocktail sauce. These taste really good. I hope you try it. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get alerts anytime I post a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.